Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Yes, fellow compatriots, my dear followers, I salute you all, wherever you are. Uh, Sorry, I have, for the past 3 days, I have a serious catarrh, a very serious one, not even very serious catarrh. I started using mosquito fleet in my house. It's of course no serious catarrh and headache. Yeah, I don't know whether anybody can hear me, and you saw her in the public, in my business center. Yes, I give Almighty the glory. I have been on medication since what happened to me in Calaba, from internal injury. I treated that one. I still went on 1 week treatment elsewhere concerning my health issues. So everything is that's everything. I'm okay, I'm better, but I decided to rest. Throughout this month, I've been going from having one treatment or the other, one to another. So this month, I decided, this new month, I want to rest. I want to rest, and at least let me get myself properly. We have been advised by some of our people, have been calling us to calm down and see if Tinubu will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and myself, I know that we cannot judge him by a few days action. It's just about 2 days in office. Some people were making me to see reasons. We should observe him and see if he will have a soft mind. We all know that Buhari is a pharaoh. He's like Pharaoh. So, I don't know what you think about that. We gave an ultimatum, yes, and before Buhari left office, he deployed troops. He deployed gunboats, he deployed fighter jets, helicopters around the maritime area, and before he left office, and also Cameroon, not just Nigeria. So, but all those things will not stop anything our followers wants to do there. And my followers, because I have a lot of followers, but I've been trying to observe Tinubu. So that nobody will say, it's because of what they did that hardened his heart. So I don't know what some of us think concerning his administration. You think we should continue to push harder, or we should give him some few time, to see that if he will release Amazon Nandekano. So I've been thinking about this while in my house for some time now. I've been thinking about it, so I don't know what many of you think. So please share this video widely. Share widely. I'll be taking your comments. Just share widely. And even if I have to be brief, when you come back and watch, what is your thought? You can just drop your comment on the video. I'll be checking. If you still want to, you can message me. You can message this page. You can message this page your thoughts on what I have just said, so that let's see if we are in line. No, I'm just one person who want to appear making mistakes. So that's what I have to say. Thank you for watching. Share widely for those that are not following up live. This is Prince Chimezi Richard. Don't forget, I remember who I am. I still remain the pioneer of BNL. I'm talking on the capacity as BNL leader.
So my Kabbalistic people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. As I keep on saying, I said a lot of people have different idea to issues. Okay, does not really make you enemy. You can have your own opinion. It's allowed. Okay, so how many of you agreed with what is said by saying let's give Tinubu some chance, maybe he will do better? Please do well to drop the opinion in the comment section. I will be in the comment section with you because I am still learning. You never can tell. So thank you once again. Please share this video, like and subscribe as I give you all the updates. Thank you and bye bye.